Hello again everyone, it's Mr. Hoy. In this video I'm going to be adding and subtracting polynomials. Here I have a trinomial being added with another trinomial. Here I have a trinomial being subtracted by another trinomial. I'm going to do the questions actually simultaneously so you can see the small differences right there at the beginning between them. In this set of parentheses we have no number written out here, so you can envision a positive 1 existing out here in front. Likewise, we have no number out in here. Because of the plus sign, you can envision there being a positive 1 out there in front as well. So what I'm going to start off this question by doing is simply distributing that positive 1 into the parentheses. It's multiplying by 1 here, here, and here, as well as there, there, and there. That's going to be 4a squared minus 2a plus 3. And again, because you're multiplying by positive 1, nothing really changes here. We're just multiplying and keeping the signs the same. In the question after that, we're multiplying by a positive 1 in the front in the first trinomial, but the next term is going to be a negative 1. So make sure that while you're keeping the first set of terms the same, you should be flipping the signs for all three of these terms. This is negative 1 times 7a squared, or negative 7a squared. This is negative 1 times positive 3a, or negative 3a. And this is negative 1 times negative 5, or positive 5. So main distinction here, again, when you're subtracting, you're multiplying this by a negative 1, so you're flipping the sign of all of these terms. When you're adding, you're multiplying by a positive 1, so none of the signs change for that second trinomial. After that, all you need to do is combine like terms. We can combine a 4a squared with a 7a squared. This is positive 7a squared. So we combine those two and get 11a squared. We can then combine our negative 2a with our 3a and get a positive 1a, or just plus a. And then we can combine our positive 3 with our negative 5 and get a negative 2. And this is our final answer. With the second question, we're combining a 4a squared with a negative 7a squared, getting a negative 3a squared. We're combining our negative 2a with a negative 3a, getting a negative 5a. We're combining our positive 3 with our positive 5 and getting a positive 8.